Hello, this is Mark Sorrell with some really important tips on cleaning up loans. And I'm referring to loans that either you've linked or if you have a loan, a student loan or a property loan. In this case, I've got a home in here. And even if you've added the loan manually, I want to show you the process to go about in cleaning up the loan. So in this case, I'm going to use this example here where I've linked the loan. And so many times when you link a loan, it will the information will not come through clean. So what you can do is you can go into the accounts area in the organizer and select the actual loan. And you have two options. You can hit edit here or edit here. And we'll go ahead and pick edit here at the payment details. And then you're going to, first of all, give it the correct name. You can just call it, our home loan. You can put the institution if you want. We're at Wells Fargo. Type it's a mortgage. Now you got to tie it to the property. If you have multiple properties, make sure that you tie it to the property that it is assigned to. If the interest rate didn't come through, be sure and type in the interest rate. We'll do 30-year loan. Now you want to put in the current balance. If it's not correct or it's a negative number, you can go ahead and put it in. Let's do 275. We'll just say that's current. And we have to put in an original loan amount. Now, if you refinance the loan at some point, you want to put the amount that you refinanced it for. So in this case, we'll go ahead and go with 450,000, and we'll just say that we did in 1/1 of 2011. Payment frequency, the number of payments. This would be the total term of the loan if it's different than that one. And you don't necessarily have to type in the payment amount. The system will calculate it for you. But if you do know what your payment is and you want to enter it, just enter the principal and interest. Do not put in the property taxes or insurances or anything else in the plan. And you can hit save. And now this information will be updated and be complete on our side. We'll let you know if we need any additional information from you. But you can do the same process for all of your loans.